Take a look at this 2008 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, stability control, power mirrors.
You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.